Hello and welcome to this new video on how to on AgodaCash. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly you need to open the Agoda official website, and when you're inside this interface you just have to look on the top right hand side of the screen. There will be a circular icon. Just click on that icon and a pop-up box will be appeared right in front of you, and under my account section there are different options. So you just have to click on AgodaCash. Just click on AgodaCash and AgodaCash section will be appear, and this is the section where you will be able to see your AgodaCash. So to on AgodaCash, simply you just need to sign up for an Agoda account and start booking for your travel accommodations. As you book your stays, you will earn AgodaCash in the form of reward points. The amount of AgodaCash you earn depends on the specific booking and the terms and condition set by Agoda. So this is how you can earn AgodaCash. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.